What's up, YouTube? Back with another banger. Looking at one of my old machines. You want to get in the vending biz, and you're like, which machine and which card reader I'm gonna get? Get a NIX. Don't get nothing else. Promise you. You get paid every week, so it's guaranteed funds coming to your account. Set you up a bank account, and you'll be self-employed. Don't mind the old drinks. Think about upgrading this machine and put it on another location or sell it, either or. If it comes with a card reader, we know that machine is going to cost more. Usually the old machines have the just coin and cash. Old fashioned coin makes deal.